welcome to my channel. This is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today we are here inside Juno Pointe by the Horton. This is a new community who's selling a new townhomes. This is located in North Las Vegas near Aliante Casino. This is a gated community who has 3 different floor plans, 1171, 1349, and the 1600 plan. Today we are going to tour the 1600 plan. This is the home, the townhome. Behind me, this is a model home, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And let's go inside and check the 1600 plan. As you see here, you will see the keyless entry remote by the door, and also the video doorbell. As soon as you walk in, you will see this luxury vinyl flooring. From here, you will see your open layout area. This is your living room. I love what they do here. This is the area where you put your TV. It has one single light LED on top. You're looking at your modern kitchen. I love the center island. Right here is your dining area. According to the builder, all the appliances that you see here, the refrigerator, the electric stove, and the microwave comes with the house. I love the large window. It's bringing bright lights in. Right here is your sliding door. Let's go check your backyard. I know the backyard comes unfinished when you get the house. Overall, this is a nice open layout. Let's go what's on this side right here. I think this is your powder room. Very nice. On this side right here is your coat closet. In here is your laundry area. The washer and dryer is included. And also down the stairs, there's a storage over here. I think this is the door leading to your 2-car garage, but they use it as an office right now, so it's locked. Now let's head to the 2nd floor and check the 3 bedroom. There's a landing area over here. I think there's 2 landing area. Now we're on the 2nd floor. Let's check what's on this door. This is your water heater. This is your secondary bedroom. like what they do here. And look at that little chair. I love this open window. You can see your community and the gate. And you can also view the mountain from here. I love the accent wall. So this is the secondary bathroom. Love the tile. And then this single over mount sink. And right here is the second bedroom. It's perfect if you have an infant. Let's see here, the standard closet. And now let's go check your primary bedroom. This is a decent size. Love the accent wall. I love these two large window. You will see your whole community from here. They added one LED light. Again, this is your primary suite. Now you're looking at your bathroom, primary bathroom. It only comes with one single vanity, overmount sink, and also this is your shower area. Right on this side is your private water closet. Love the painting. And on this side is your walk-in closet. I love that they added the shoe rack here. Again, this is the 1600 plan in Juno Pointe by D.R. Horton. It's priced at $357,990. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. If you are interested in living in this townhome, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. This is very affordable. According to the builder, it would take a month to 45 days to build your home. Again, all the appliances comes with the house. Refrigerator, washer and dryer, oven, microwave are included. There is a $234 HOA, $164 for Juno Pointe, and $70 for the master plan. And this concludes our tour. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much for watching.